Hello students, here I am Mansi Gaikar, your drawing and craft teacher. Today I will teach you one craft activity. It will be interesting and useful also. So whenever you are going to shop anything, it will be useful for you. So what will be that? It is a paper bag. So I hope you will like that activity. So let's start. For that what we need, here it is. We need any size of rectangle paper. See, here I am showing I have taken 1/4 size of drawing sheet. You can take any paper. If you're not having any paper, you can take newspaper also, it is okay. See, it is a rectangle shape. So any one side you have to fold 1 inch like this. It's shown in the video. 1 inch you have to fold, increase that, and folded part you have to apply their glue. And then you can spread with a finger if necessary. Stick properly. Then press both the sides, edges proper. Then any one side you can take. Both the sides are open, so any one side you can take. That will be a bottom side. So 4 finger distance you have to leave. Approximately it will be a 7 centimeter from downwards, and fold it along that line, same as well as backward also. After that, see, you have to open that this way, and both the sides you have to fold into triangle. See how I did. Same fold you have to do. There we are getting 2 flaps, 2 triangles both the sides. You have to lower flap, you have to fold little upwards. It is not a half, it is little above half, and then remaining upper part you have to overlap on the lower flap. First you have to fold this way, then reopen that and apply the glue. They can stick it carefully. So by folding 2 times, 2 flaps are there, so your back base will be thick. See, both the sides you have to stick it properly. Then from inside, put your hand inside and press it from inner side also, the base. That fold should be stick properly. See the inside how it will look. After that, for the bag handles, so from sides you have to leave 3 finger distance, and from upwards 2 finger distance, same opposite words 3 finger distance, and from upside 2 finger distance. Then point there and make a hole with a rounder. And anything whatever you have at home, like a string means any waste material. There is a rope, shoelace, anything. So here I have one shoelace. I did the two parts. I cut in two parts. It is thin hole, small hole. Again I will remove from that hole, and that knot side should be inside, not outside. See that? This way both the sides are individual. So individual you have to make a knot here. Inside it should be. Like this simple knot. Then there one simple knot, same like another side we have done. See, our bag's handles are ready. See, our bag is also ready. You can see this. See the base. Here I have some cutouts with the tinted papers, flowers and leaves. I have used for the decoration. You can also use anything whatever you have at home. If you're not having any decorative papers, so you can do with a sketch pen. Colors, you can draw any colors. If you're not liking like a very simple bag, do something decorative, creative, so it will look more attractive. So it is also with the waste papers, and remaining part you can do with the paper markers, yeah, sketch pens. This way you can decorate your bag with a sketch pen. You can make any design on it. Otherwise you can stick any decorative papers on there. Anything you can do your. Here now I am making small flowers, and then remaining part I will make some small circles. It will look more attractive. See, this much also enough. If you want more more attractive, yeah, more interesting, so you can fill everywhere. Whatever you can do it. See, it is very simple design, but now after the design the bag is looking very nice. So this way you can also decorate your own bag with your own favorite design. See, here bag is ready. Here we can carry the things also. I can show you. See, I can keep inside the pouch also, and it is full of with the markers. See, because of the base. Yeah, see, our bag is ready. So this way you can make your bag. This way you can make your bag. I hope you all are like that video.